A 24-year-old boy looking out from the train's window shouted, "Dad, look at the trees that are going behind." Dad smiled, and a young couple sitting nearby looked at the 24-year-old's childish behavior with pity. Suddenly, he again exclaimed, "Dad, look, the clouds are running with us." The couple couldn't resist and said to the old man, "Why don't you take your son to a good doctor, sir?" The old man smiled and said, "I did, and we are just coming back from the hospital. My son was blind from birth. He just got his eyes today, and that's why he can actually see the world for the very first time." Every single person on the planet has a story. Don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth often might surprise you.